Hey guys, so what's up? Welcome back to my channel. What I want to do is quickly show you guys how I maintain my eyebrows, because I have thick bushy eyebrows that always do this. I just wanted to quickly come show you guys how I maintain them. It's pretty simple. It's not too many things that you need or to do, but we're gonna start off with what you do need. So what you'll need is one of these things. I think it's just like a lash and eyebrow wand brush type thingy thing. I got it from Target for about $2. You'll also need one of these little blade thingy things. You need some astringent or alcohol, anything that works for you. And I use the SheaMoisture High Def Foamless Shave Gel. It works really well. It doesn't make like a foam. Obviously it's called foamless, so you can see exactly where you're going. And a cotton swab. So I'm just gonna dive straight in and get straight into it. So I typically don't arch my eyebrows. I just clean them up and get all like those little loose hairs. You can use a tweezer as well. I personally don't like tweezing because it hurts. So I just go ahead and trim off the little hairs that I don't really want or like. So go ahead and get your cotton swab. Take you some witch hazel. Ooh, gonna put a little bit on there. And what you want to do is you just want to clean the surface. Don't look all crazy afterwards, but we'll clean it up. I grow a unibrow. It's super fine hairs down there that you guys can't see, but I just go ahead and take those off. So after it's nice and clean, give it a little dry. I usually brush them down before. You can kind of see all those unwanted little hairs that's there. I'm gonna take those off, and this always is like this. And this is not a pimple, guys. It's just a part of my skin. I don't know. It's always there. What you'll do is I usually pop this open, and the entrance of the bottle is really big, so I take this and I dip it in there, and I just go ahead and put a little bit of the foamless gel on there, the product. So see how it's a little shiny, and I go ahead and brush it in again so that way I could lay them down how I want it. I also brush down the pieces of the hair that I want to take off. Go ahead and get your blade. Now again, you don't have to do this. You can go to a barber or eyebrow threading or wax place to do it. I just do it because it's super easy for me to do, and I'll show you guys how it is. So you take the blade, make sure it's nice and clean, sterilized and fresh. If you reuse it, just make sure you spray it down with some type of cleaner. I have some Andy's cleaner that I got from Sally's, so you can clean it with that, but just make sure it's clean and not rusted. So I usually go ahead and see those hairs right there. We're gonna go ahead and get those off. Again, guys, I don't arch them, I just clean them up. And you can see with that first little swipe how much hair I took off. It's not that much. You just go ahead and continue with this. Down the middle is usually easy. At the top, what I do is I sometimes pull it. I'll go from all the way up here, because there's some little fine hairs up there. You just wipe it off and go to the other side. Now the right side is always tricky for me. I can't really talk, so give me a second. And see, just that easy, I'm done. I like to keep it nice and simple, nice and clean, so that way it all looks the same. I always was taught that they are sisters and not twins, because you know, left and right is kind of hard to measure it up. But go ahead and wipe them off, get all that excess hair and product off. You're done. Finito, done. Just that easy. Look at that. finish. I hope you guys liked it. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. This was a super easy and quick video. Let me know if you guys try it out or if you want me to do a more extensive one. I don't think it needs to get even more extensive than what it was because it was super easy. I'm done and now I have nice and cleaned eyebrows. As always guys, until next time, I'm out.